Good morning, class. Standard 9 Physical Educations. This week, the volleyball terms continuations. Last week, you have seen pancake up to pancake you have written. Now, the continuations. Pass. This is important in volleyball. Normally, pass is accuracy means the team will get winning. If receiving the service and give the pass to setter to finish the ball, the team is perfect and winning the game. The pass is most important. Right. The first hit, which is aimed at the setter. The first pass receiving service from opponent team. That first pass make the team winning or not. If a first pass is missing, the team also miss the points. The most important. Once again repeat. Pass. PASS. Double S. The first hit, which is aimed at the setter. Next, power alley. Power alley. ALLEY. A cross court hit that travels away from the spiker to the furthest point of the court. Next, ready position. The flexed head comfortable posture. A player assumes before moving to the point of contact. That means the flex, you have to move whereas ball is going to kill the ball. You have to move quickly. This is uncomfortable assume before moving the point of the contact. Immediately if you miss the ball will land in their own court. According to ball move, the player has to be moved. You need a flexibilities. Next, roop. RWF. To block a spike. Spike means attack. Usually straight down for a point. Roop, they'll put a hand on over the ball will come underneath, ball down. It will fall their own court who is attacking. Next, rotation. This is important. Volleyball based on rotations. When team gains right to serve, their player rotate one position clockwise. This is called rotations. This is important in the volleyball. Without rotation, volleyball cannot be played. The clockwise movement of players around the court and through the serving position following a side out. Whenever the team gets right to serve, their player must rotate one position clockwise. Suppose one is first served, they missed this point, again they got right to serve. One will go to the another place, the two will come for service. One position clockwise, that is called rotations. Next, serve. This is also important in volleyball. This technique only start to they have to play with this technique. Serve or service. One of the 6 basic volleyball skills, they serve puts the ball into play. Volleyball start with the service. Next, set. The tactical skill in which a ball is directed to a point where a player can spike it into the opponent's score. Set means who's a booster, normally we call booster, who lift the ball, who set the ball to attacker. That is called set. That set, game set is different. This is set the ball to the attacker. The attacker where he need exactly ball, he will set the ball to that attacker. That is called set. Next, setter. Now I call the setter. He is one who make set to attackers. That is called setter. The player who makes the set to the attackers. That is called setter. Side out occurs when the receiving team successfully puts the ball away against the serving team, or when the serving team commits an unforced error. The receiving team thus gains the right to serve. Whoever missed the ball, whether it's service ball or on playing ball, gone outside or any fault made, automatically side out will be made. Side over, normally called side over. Next, spike. This also attack or attacker, whatever, spike, attack or hit. Also hit or attack. A ball contacted with force by a player on the offensive team with the intent to terminate the ball on the opponent's floor or off the opponent's blocker, to avoid the blockers and ground the ball in opponent court. That is called spike. Now sprawl, SPRAWL, a technique used to get to a low serve or spike. It means low serve is not going high height of the net. When ball flying above the net, this one is lowering the service ball, keeping the low level up to above the net level, or 2-3 inches above the net, ball goes and touch. Next, stuff, STUFF, a technique used to get a ball that is deflected back to the attacking team's floor by the opponent's blockers. Normally called, I told you, when a blocker is blocking, the ball is falling on their attacker side itself. That is called stuff. Deflected from attack. Next, target area. The area toward which the pass is directed. The setter is released into this area to prepare to set. When ball is coming, the setter will move to that place where the ball is going. From there, you will set the ball. Next, tip. The another term for dink. Already I given the dink, also tip, a legal push the ball into the place. That normally called place the ball, placement. Next, transition. The terms for changing from offense to defense or defense to offense. It must be done quickly and accurately. Normally in volleyball, when a service will start, before the service, the shutter will give the indications or signal to the rest of players, 2 or 1 or 3. This type of formation will make 3 attackers, 1 attackers, 2 attackers. This signal will give accurately. According that, the ball will come to the setter and set the ball to attackers. That is called transition. Next, underhand pass. This also one of the skills in volleyball. Same as a bump. Already the bump pass is there. You can see in the bump pass. Descriptive slang for forearm passing called bump. That also same underhand pass. Next, volley and overhand pass or set called volley. Wipe off, WIPEOFF, wipe off, an offensive shot that is brushed off the blocker's arms, then goes out of bounds. The blockers touching ball, touching the hand and going outside, landing outside, touching the ball and going. That means this is the ball touching the blockers and going outside and landing. That is called wipe off. Now last one is zones. The numbering system that designates the placement of a player or the target area of the ball. A common numbering system designates to back right third of the court the area of service server as a zone 1. Zone 2 is the right front court. Zone 3 is the middle front third of the court. Zone 4 is the left front. Zone 5 is the left back area, and the zone 6 is the middle back area. In front there is attack line and back line. 3 players standing in 2, 3, 4 and 3 standing behind the attack line, that is 5, 6, 1. This is their positions. That is not called back right player, center back player, left back player. So standing in front of the back line player, front right player, front center player and center left player. 4, 3, 2. This is called the positions called. Good morning class. Stay safe, stay home, and day to day basis your worksheet should reach to me. I am monitoring everything on your worksheet. Who is sending, who is not sending. I am keeping record of your submitting with the date and day, timing also. So better you have to be send it to me on time, and don't give any excuse. I am not feeling well, I can't make it. No, don't give any excuse. You have to write. You are sitting at home. For that purpose you will write. You have to send it. Otherwise your name will be marked as absent. So be prepared. Like the board exam you have to write in 9th standard. Be careful. Don't be neglect. You have to be right day to day basis. Stay safe, stay home.